Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you could create gravity in Scratch. So let's get started. So this is the player sprite and this is the ground sprite. So make sure to set the ground sprite's x to 0 and the y to 0. So in the player sprite, let's just do when green flag clicked, go to x0, y0. Then let's just create a new variable called y velocity and then let's set it to 0. Then let's check if it is not touching the ground. So let's do if not touching the ground. Then let's change the y velocity to by -1, which means it's going down. However, if it is touching the ground, let's just set it to 0 and create a new block called collide. And then let's make sure to run it without screen refresh. And then here in this collide block, let's just do repeat until not touching ground and change y by -1. So this basically what this basically does is that suppose the player is here and it just collides, so it will just repeat until it is at least 1 pixel away from the ground and that won't be noticeable. And then let's just put this collide block under this set y velocity to 0. So now as you can see, it does not work, it's just changing its values. However, if we just do change y by y velocity, as you can see we have some gravity here. So what if you wanted to add a jumping mechanism? So let's just create a new variable called in air, which checks if the player is in the air or not. So this avoids double jumping. So if we just set the in air to 1 here, because the player at the start it will be at the air, and then once it touches the ground, like once after it collides, let's just do set in air to 0. After that, let's just check if the suppose like space bar is pressed. Let's just check if the in air is equal to 0, which means it's not in the air. Then let's set the y velocity to whatever jumping speed you want. I'll just put it to 12. So as you can see, if I press jump, it works like this. So the reason it's happening like this is because we did not reset the in air to 0, to 1, sorry. So set the in air to 1 here. So as you can see, we don't face that problem anymore. And that's how to create gravity in Scratch. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.